The Green Earth Part 2. Mummy has planted so many plants in the garden. It feels so fresh here in the morning.
Yes, plants are our best friends in many ways.
In what ways do plants help us, Papa?
Plants give out oxygen that we breathe and food that we eat.
Do we eat only the fruits like apple, banana and orange that plants give us?
No dear, different parts of the plants give us different food. We eat the roots such as carrot and beetroot, stems of plant in the form of ginger and potato, and leaves such as spinach and cabbage. Tea is made from the leaves plucked out of the tea bush.
Do we also get chapati from plants?
Yes dear, the whole grains that we eat comes from seeds of plants. Wheat, maize and rice are all seeds. Some seeds such as mustard, groundnut and almond are crushed to get oil. Coffee and chocolate are made by crushing berries.
Papa, Ria told me that they cut a tree in her neighborhood. She was feeling so bad about it.
Oh, they cut that old banyan tree? That tree was very old.
How do we get to know the age of a tree?
By counting the number of rings on its trunk. If you cut a tree trunk, you can see rings in the wood of the trunk. Each ring stands for a year of the tree's life. Don't pluck leaves.
But why? I just wanted to see it closely.
Because leaves make food for the plants.
How?
Plants make their own food when they get air, water and sunlight. Let us know how. Plants absorb water and other nutrients from the soil through the roots. The stem carries the nutrients to the leaves. The green leaves use sunlight to make food for the plant. This process of making food by plant in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. The green color of leaves is due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps them to make food. Leaves also help the plant to breathe. There are very small holes in the leaves called stomata. Plants breathe through these holes. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Plants that are not green in color cannot make their own food. Mushrooms grow on other plants. Yeasts grow on dead animals or vegetables. Leaves have different shapes and sizes on the basis of their need. The plants that grow in dry areas need to save water, like cactus. They have spines instead of leaves. Plants like bryophyllum grows from its own leaves. The lotus has hollow stems and broad leaves that allow the plant to float on water.
What are you doing, Papa?
I am collecting the dried leaves to make compost. In dry season, when leaves do not get enough water, they become dry and fall. The dried leaves are also very useful. We should not burn them.
How are dried leaves helpful?
These fallen dried leaves along with dead plants decay and mix with the soil. If we dig a pit in the ground and bury the leaves, the decayed leaves form humus. This pit is called compost. After some time, the leaves will rot to form humus. We can use it to fertilize the soil.
Please, let me also make a compost pit.